Mitsubishi Power is a leading innovator of materials design technology. We are leveraging our deep expertise in gas turbine development to provide additive manufacturing services. We have developed a gas nozzle which critically impacts the performance of gas atomizers with a unique structure that remarkably improves fine powder yield. We have also developed high-performance powders with our proprietary design and technologies, significantly enhancing material strength. Mitsubishi Power also produces high-strength wires, which are used in the rapid fabrication of large, strong parts, such as for aircraft engines or valves. Our AM zone houses various AM functions, from material manufacturing and modeling to processing and evaluation, all in one place. We conduct high-precision analysis to help ensure that we deliver the highest quality AM products. We employ different metal 3D printers, which enable us to tailor our materials and fabrication methods to your requirements. We then evaluate the dimensions and shapes of prototypes using 3D measuring equipment. With our additive manufacturing process, we can help you efficiently and reliably manufacture durable AM products that are critical to driving innovation in your industry.